Viewing your payment history on Visible is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly access your payment information. Step 1. Open the Visible app. Launch the Visible app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment details. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on it to open the account settings. Step 3. Select Payment History. In Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment History or Billing. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Review Payment Details. You will now see a list of your past payments. Review the details, including dates, amounts, and transaction statuses. Step 5. Export or save information if needed. If you need to keep a record of your payment history, look for an option to export or save the information. This may be available as a PDF or CSV file. By following these steps, you can easily view your payment history on Visible. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Visible's customer support for assistance.